Good evening, everyone. As part of ITSM training, so I would like to give a brief on ITOM also. On top of ITOM, we are discussing service mapping as a concept. Okay. So service mapping, how it will be done? So suppose take example as one of the service is Grafana. Grafana is a monitoring service. It monitors the health of the devices. In case of the device is unhealthy, it will try to send a events to you by converting incident. Okay, so that is the Grafana. So now this is, you think about, this is a Grafana. Under the Grafana there are multiple servers which is monitoring the entire infrastructure is nothing but servers, routers, switches. Okay, all those things, these all are the servers, routers, and application database. Okay, so they are monitoring by Grafana probes. This middle of them, is there correct? Middle things. Those are middle of Grafana probe servers, which collects the information and send it to here. That this below ones are healthy or not healthy. It will send here so that you can monitor and find out which is unhealthy. Let's take one of the example. Monitoring console. Of solar vents. I'm just giving you one example. So in case of unhealthy, the device is unhealthy. How do it will come? The alerts will come like this way. Okay. So what it will do, it will monitor CPU, memory. Okay. If you see here, high pocket network, correct? How much data is transferring, whether it is working, not working, all those things, it will monitor and it will send that events saying that this is the issue on this particular device. Okay. What are those? These all are the things which will monitor, which the below ones. Okay, are servers. This middle ones are monitoring servers, which will send alerts to like this console, where the people will be monitoring and try to resolve them by logging into server and distributing them, reducing the load. Okay, all those things they will do it. Okay, so why do we map the service? To monitor as a service instead of individual CAs, correct? In case of you are doing change, like you are restarting this device, okay, this Grafana is a service server. So what is the impact? The complete system or business service will be down, correct? So during that time, if you have this kind of a structure, you know that if this goes down, entire service will be goes down, correct? That is why your business service will be mapped. Okay. That is one thing we need to understand on the discovery service mapping. Discovery, as I told you, it discovers the devices, okay, like server, applications, network devices, and their relationship, their services running. I think last time I have explained you guys how do services looks like, what are the applications installed in my server or application, okay. What is the server configuration like 8 GB, 10 GB, how many CPUs I have, all those things. It will discover my service now and place it in the system. And before that, I wanted to tell you one thing. So where is this module in service now? Correct. So let's the parallelly runs plugins. What is plugins, guys? I have explained this one. What is a plugins? Do you remember what is a plugins? Adi Karthi.
Like like a Play Store, sir. And it's like a
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, very nice. It's like a Play Store in ServiceNow. There will be a multiple plugins will be there for each application to connect and use it. Okay. It is not connect only. Suppose by default ITSM will come any instance. Once you uh, provision any instance, ServiceNow instance, you will get ITSM. But in case if you want to use for other purposes, okay, like ITOM, right? We are discussing ITOM. When I want to use ITOM, then I will have to install plugin. So where is the plugin? So you have event management. What is the event management? Here, correct? This is the event management. The same way you have cloud management. Okay. And the same way you have discovery. And same way you have service mapping. So same way performance analytics. If you see here, the discovery is there, service mapping is there, event mapping is there, orchestration. I don't know why it is not displaying. Optimization. This is optimization is orchestration. It's okay. View more is there. See, you can see more. See, cloud management, ITOM visibility, AI ops. Okay, core, service operations workspace, site reliability. There are multiple modules we have it. Okay, which one is installed? It is showing there is a available ITOM. Let's see. Available. Okay. Let's go to here, view more. So, first of all, the first thing is in ITOM is we should have IT discovery. First, it has to discover, correct? As per this series, first it has to discover the devices. Then we should install service mapping. Then we should install event mapping. Then we can go for orchestration. Then go for a cloud. This way, you have to install your plugins. Okay, how do you install? You search here. Okay, ITOM. You search here. Once you search, so here also you can just check this one. Okay, view more is there. Discovery license proxy. Discovery was there, correct? See, ITOM visibility is a discovery. Okay, they have renamed. Okay, so now once you have to click this one. To know how this is going to work, all those things, you can also load demo data that it will show how the data looks like. Okay, you can also use this option. Normally, when you are going for any customer place where you have to install, you no need to select this one because you need a clean, neat system where you can go ahead and discover your customer devices into it. Correct. So this will take time. Okay. So let it go this one and separate mode. Let it install this one. Okay. So now coming back. So service mapping, we understood what is service mapping. Event mapping, event management. It is not our event management of our marriage and all those things. The event management, when we talk in service now, the suppose, let's take example, we'll go into Excel. So one of my server is there, ABC is the server name, correct? So what will happen in this 90% CPU utilization? So how do we know the CPU utilization? We can click here. Where is that? Why it is not clicking? So we can click here. We can see what is my CPU utilization. My memory utilization is 78%. Okay. So if I am my system crossing 75% or above, okay, I need alert. Okay. So 75%, I need alert. Okay, so where you will be configuring thresholds. You will be configuring thresholds and triggering event that ABC system is cross CPU 75%. I am sending ABC system present CPU utilization is 80% and your threshold is 75%. Okay, this is how alert will come. Now, once you receive this one into service now, the same will create a incident. Okay, And whom it has to assign? There is a server team, correct? Because CPU utilization, memory utilization, who will handle? Server team will handle. Okay, automatically based on this CPU is a word, we will create a auto assignment rules and send it to server team. Suppose service is down in ABC server, service is down. What is service, guys? So MSC dot services. So this is under system, you have multiple services, correct? So service is down. Service is down. Whom do I have to send? Who takes care? Application team will take care of this service down run. That's correct. So here I will write ABC server IAS service is down. Whoever is studied, I think computer degree, I think you know what is IAS service. Uh, okay. So apps team will take care of it. So this is a way how event management work in ServiceNow. Okay. This is called event management. Okay. So this is as of now, we heard a little bit. So this is still running. Okay. So now orchestration. So I've explained you guys like last time. Suppose in my services, this IAS service is there. Okay, uh, where is that IAS? It is there in my system. I think not there. Okay, let's take Windows time service. Where is that Windows time service? WT, Windows time service is there. This is not running at present, but in servers it has to run. Okay, Windows time has to run. If this service is stopped, suppose I got a alert to service this team before triggering this event and incident. Okay, what service now itself will do is it will try to restart this service. First, it will send a event. Then we will configure operation orchestration, which will detect that service to restart. Okay, so that is called automation, which we will do, and system itself will try to restart the services. Okay. In case of service goes down, in case if still continues that system is not able to restart, what it will do is it will create a incident for people to do that service restart. Okay. So that is how operation orchestration works. Okay. Now, cloud management. Okay. So we all know that at present world, anything and everything working AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, correct? See how our Zoom is working, how our Zoom recording stores. Where do it stores? It stores maybe in Azure or AWS or Google Cloud, correct? The information. All websites are running from Azure or AWS from different places, correct? So how do we monitor them? Okay. How do we manage them? Cloud management. Suppose you want to provision one server. So if you have cloud management is the tool module in ServiceNow, what it will do is it will try to help you. Suppose you want to build a server, ABC server. How many CPUs you want? How much disk you want? How much memory you want? Okay. So yesterday or day before yesterday, I took space in digital Ocean Digital is a cloud. Okay, Ocean Digital is a cloud to run my matrimony website, to run my company website, to run my different websites. Okay, I took it. Okay, so what is the I measured? I measured how many CPUs I want, how many disk, how much disk I want, how much memory I want, what is the network connectivity I want. Correct. So this makes our system performance, correct? So this is how I will purchase. So when you are purchasing, how do you will do? By using this. Which one? cloud management as a two module, you can design the system that I want two core CPU. Okay. And how much? 100 GB SSD. Okay. How much memory I want? I want 16 GB. Okay. RAM. How much connectivity? 2 Gbps. Correct. So this is all will be done from here. Normally, how do they will do is they will log in into the cloud system and they will do it. If you have a ServiceNow cloud management, you no need to log in into server and do it. It gives you console in ServiceNow by using the cloud management console. You can just put how much you want CPU, memory, disk space, and just click next, next, next. Automatically, your system will be provisioned and you will get a system. Okay. So that is how you would be having a cloud management. So the next one is operation intelligence. So we all discussed when we are discussing the first or second session that ServiceNow is having a predictive intelligence. Okay. And ML, AI. ML is machine learning, AI is we all know, correct? So these all systems, okay, how do it will help ServiceNow to understand? Suppose this system keep on sending 75% is a CPU utilization every time. Every day you are getting same alert. Okay. So what it will do is by using this operational intelligence, it says that always this system is 75% or 80%. You increase your threshold to 80% that you will not be getting a incident. Okay. It will understand by system itself. Okay. And try to do it. That is how the things works. Okay. This one. Okay. And the operational intelligence. Okay. Now coming back, I think we discussed this one. What is CMDB, CMDB relationships, CI types. We discussed service mapping. We discussed. Okay. And life cycle of the CIs we discussed. And even I have given notes. You guys are studied or no? I don't know. But so again, we discussed about CMDB underscore asset management. What is the difference between CMDB and asset management? And also we discussed about CMDB and asset management. What is how do it works? Okay. Okay. So what is the examples it will have? All those things we discussed it. Okay. So most probably these are the things which will be uh, asked in during the interview. If somebody asks you an ITOM part of it, if you are going for ITOM as a dedicated engineer, then there will be a lot of questions. Again, I told you guys, there is one guy who teaching. Okay. I think I pasted you guys. If you want more knowledge on ITOM, and you can just visit this web page. So where is that web page? I can also tell you guys tech track service now. Videos tech track by Ajay. Tech track. Let's go to YouTube. Track, tech track service now. So this guy, the tech track, this guy will teach you more. So you don't need to pay fees and all. He is uploading everything. Okay. So suppose take this example. He started fifth batch. Okay. He started fifth batch. Day six. Day one is here. If you see here, fourth batch. This is day one, fifth batch. Okay. He's explaining data foundation, discovery, event management, service mapping. In detail, he's explaining. Okay. Maggie air fryer mixes. So you can go through this channel. I think it is very good. So again, you can go to here from Tech Track, all videos. Okay. Batch 5, day 2 is there, day 1 is there. Okay. And again, in case you want more, you can also go for this same series. So you will be getting a complete daily. If you hear 1 hour session, I think you would be perfect on this one. In case of if you get any doubt, please let me know. I can help you to guide you and I can explain you guys. Okay. This one also. Okay. Because I am familiar, but I don't want to simply put efforts and all those things because this one will help you guys. Anytime, whenever you free, you can just go through these sessions. Correct. So in case if you doesn't understand anything, please let me know. I can help you. That particular area, I will be clearing your doubts. Okay. Okay, I hope I am clear here till here. Now, coming back again, so do you guys have any doubts in IT SM part till now? You might be practicing it, correct? So do you have any doubts? Abdul, Rafi, are you guys practicing or no?